All right, outdoorsmen, we are at Fenney Nature Trail in the villages of Florida. As you saw, I have my best friend here with me today, and we are among the Spanish moss and really looking forward to get out on Christmas Day here and see what we can find. So let's get outdoors. Alrighty, outdoorsmen, it's hard to tell exactly where the water is bubbling up, but this is the main spring for the Fenney Springs Nature area. It's a little hard to see, but the water is flowing pretty quickly in light of the fact that you can see how it's causing the ripple as it goes past the branch down there. So we'll be able to see here in just a minute the amount of water that's flowing and creating a pretty nice little stream as a result of this single source of headwater. Here you can really see it, just how much water is being produced by that spring. It's causing this much flow. Pretty incredible. Sure is. Here you can see how they would have taken this area and converted it into something that would resemble an old Florida plantation or hunting camp. Makes it feel very much part of the natural surroundings, even though it is fairly newly made. A little friend there, along with my favorite friend. Looks like there may even be some wild pigs here in the area based on the amount of ground destruction I see here under this oak tree. So maybe we'll be back and catch them here in the course of the next week or so. All right, outdoorsmen. We were out for 45 minutes or an hour or so, but the rain is going to chase us out. So hope you enjoyed today's video. And even when it's a little inclement, as always, remember, get outdoors.